This is the oldest way of printing. First, clay is being compressed with bare feet. A dirty job. Now we are shaping the clay into a block. We pack it in paper and set it away to harden. This will take 2 months. 2 months have passed. Let's shape them. The clay will be compressed into a mold. We can now shape the clay into tiny little blocks. The blocks need to be dried. The sun will take care of that. Now the Chinese characters are written down backwards. This is important as these blocks are basically stamps. That's why we need to carve out